got $20. I'm gonna try to see if we can go up to somebody. This one guy I've been watching, this one dude, I think got a BMW. We're gonna go up to him and say, hey man, I got $20, let me get a ride. Hope I can fit in the car. So we're gonna put the camera on there real quick and hop in and see if we can get in a tandem. So on today's adventure, rain, sleet, or snow, sunny weather, cars drifting in the background. You moving so slow.
You can speed it up.
You
now
pan and come back.
You
It's
talking
okay.
to me.
All right. What it do, man? On today's adventure, rain, sleet, or snow, cars drifting in the background. Hey, content still got to flow, baby. Y'all see where we at the drift track today with it. We got the Mach 1 part right here right beside us. We finna go out here and watch some cars drift. And the goal is to find whoever drifting the best, whoever I feel safe with, and see if they let us go for a ride along. Cause y'all know sometimes you can pay people and they'll take you for a ride along or whatever. But check out this shirt, my sister. Y'all see the shirt, man? My sister got me this shirt. Shout out to my sister Lisa for getting me the shirt. Only problem is, when she ordered it, they put a space in between track and halt, but we still gonna rock it, baby. You know what I'm saying? So we waiting in the car, y'all, because everybody taking a lunch break apparently, and those gnats is messing me up. But hang in there. We're gonna try to get a ride. I talked to one guy. I was gonna try to get a ride from him, but he said he can't even get his car to start. So stay tuned. I got my own helmet. I got my 360 camera. I got $20. I'm gonna try to see if we can go up to somebody. It's one guy I've been watching. This one dude, I think got a BMW. We're gonna go up to him and say, hey man, I got $20, let me get a ride. Hope I can fit in the car. So we're gonna put the camera on there real quick and hop in and see if we can get in a tandem. Hey bro, I'll give you $20 for a ride along. You got a baby going. You think I got time to put the camera on there? Mike. Yeah, you can sit that enough. So how long you been doing this?
What's that? What, 2020, about 3 years.
3 years? Yeah. So what's this?
This is an E36.
E36. How much he's going for now? Like for a good one to start out with? Oh my bad, you good.
Get him about 2-3 grand.
God. Well, you a driver.
Yes, sir. That's great. Cause this is like, I've been drifting for 3 years, but well, I would say a year consistently. Then I took 2 years off, and I just started back. Like this is my second event in this car.
Damn.
So it's shit get down.
Hell yeah.
But it's like I ain't lost a step from being gone.
Hey, I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Hey, that was worth the 20, man.
Oh shit, you good.
It was worth the 20. Come on, man. You a driver.
All right, man.
Hey, I appreciate it. I'm gonna have to catch up with you. Get my YouTube channel.
Okay, yeah. My Instagram on the back of on the side of the window.
Okay, I record it so I can
this hit me up, and I'll send me your channel and the message, and I'll look at the video.
Okay, bro. Appreciate it. Y'all see it, man. My adrenaline is pumping. That was crazy. I've never been in a drift car like that before, let alone going around doing tandems. That's my first time ever doing that. And Bert didn't want to take the money, so I had to make him take the money because I felt like it was worth the ride. Shit, it might have been worth more than that. But anyways, man, y'all follow him on IG below. I'm gonna drop it right here. Not like right here, right there. I'm gonna drop it right here. Okay, so follow him on IG, man. And I appreciate everybody who sticks to the end of the video, man. It means a lot. And also, it ain't the longest video today, but it's a video, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. I love y'all, and we is out.
What's going on, it's your girl, CT Breen. I'm here with Brendan's POV. Come on YouTube.
Check them out.
Yeah, we standing. I'm the big Ram, and I'm telling you, dog. Brandon's POV, man. That boy doing legendary things, man. Corvettes whipping through, doing all type of cool legendary content. The boy is living his life. The boy is living his life, man. Let him do what he want to do, how he want to do it, all the time. Look at Beano. Beano, like, man, you gonna look at his dog. Go subscribe to his YouTube. His name is Brandon POV. Ain't been on screen, right, Bean? Shake my hand if it's okay. Shake for Brandon. Hey! Bina agrees. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Organic.
Make sure y'all tune in with my dog, COC.
Hey, subscribe to my boy channel. We're going on all 2022, 23, everything.
Y'all go subscribe to my boy stuff.
Brandon's POV.
Run it up.
Run that
Don't
shit
play
up.
with it.
You heard me?
Hey.